Hey barbecue family, what I've got today is a quick, easy, late night, early evening recipe that I think you'll like. This is jerk salmon. Other than the salmon, there are only 2 ingredients. For every 2 pounds of meat, I like to do 2 tablespoons of Walkerswood Mild Jerk Seasoning. And then I also like to combine that with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and I've got Luana's liquid coconut oil. I like to use coconut oil. I think it goes well with the jerk. But if you don't have coconut oil, as an alternative, you can use extra virgin olive oil. You can put your salmon fillets directly on the grill grates if you like. Today I'm gonna put mine in a cast iron skillet. I'm just gonna smear a little bit of that coconut oil around. And I let these fillets marinate overnight. If you don't want to do it overnight, if you don't have that type of time, give it at least a couple of hours. Give it at least 2, maybe 4. Overnight is even better to really give that marinade time to soak into the meat. And by putting it in the cast iron, I'm hoping to promote a more even cooking. I also like the benefit of having the oil in the skillet, and that'll keep the salmon skin from sticking when it's time for it to come off of the grill. My pellet grill is up to temperature. I set it for 275 degrees. You can take it up to 325 if you like. Or, if you just want to smoke these at a much lower temperature, try to get as much smoke flavor as you can, I would take them out of the pan, out of the skillet, put them directly on the grates, maybe set your temperature for 225. But I'm looking to make this a nice, quick, easy cook. 275, plus having them in the skillet will cause them to cook a little bit faster as well. I've got my wireless meat thermometer probes that'll let me monitor the temperature throughout the cook, which shouldn't take too long. The salmon is up to temperature. I took it to 145 internal. I'm gonna get it off of the grill and give it a taste. This jerk salmon smells fantastic. You can really smell the aromatics from that marinade. Can't wait to get into it. Cheers. If you're a fan of jerk anything, you gotta give this recipe a try. This jerk on this salmon is fantastic. I love salmon, but this is definitely a leveled up way to do it. If I didn't mention it before, the Walkerswood Jerk Marinade is the mild version, but trust me, when you let it marinate your chicken, your salmon, it's not gonna come out tasting mild. I think it's the perfect amount of heat. If you want it to be leveled up, not too mild, don't worry, even though the bottle says mild, if you let it marinate, it will not be mild. It's the perfect, right amount of heat. Well, I gotta get some more of this. All right, let me know in the comments. Have you tried jerk salmon before? If you haven't, are you gonna give this a shot? Let me know what you think. This might end up being my go-to way for doing salmon. I think I'm gonna have a lot more salmon in my life with this recipe. All right, guys, this is Kenyatta Robinson. Thank you for tuning in to the Backyard Smokemaster Barbecue channel. If you haven't already, smash that like button, click the bell so you get notified when I drop new videos. Subscribe if you haven't. Take care, get out there, enjoy your grills and smokers, and I'll see you in the next one.